I'd like to welcome all of you to our virtual parent and student open house for grades 4, 5, and 6 for the Randolph County School System. I'd like to welcome you on behalf of Superintendent John Jacobs and the Randolph County Board of Education. My name is Jennifer Braden, and I'm the curriculum coordinator for the district. As a virtual student, we ask that you remain virtual for at least the first 9 weeks of school, if not longer. The virtual students' intended start date for this school year is Thursday, August 27th. However, that may vary by date or time depending on the assignments provided to you by your teacher, and your teachers will be in contact with you through your school email for additional information. Now I would like to introduce to you our technology coordinator for the district, Mr. Kaylin Daniel.
Hello, everyone. By now, your school should have contacted you to pick up your child's Chromebook. If they've not contacted you, please contact your school and give them the updated contact information, or just get the details on how to pick up your child's Chromebook. Support will be provided by teachers for any programs being used in the courses. Support for Chromebooks will be provided by media specialists at the school. We've created a Parent Academy for Technology website that covers most of the tools we use. We'll be adding to this constantly, so if you have a question about a different tool, please feel free to ask, and that will probably prompt us to add something there. You can find the Parent Academy by going to the Technology Department section of the randolphboe.org website. We'll be using multiple platforms this year. Chromebooks will be provided by the student school so that you can access everything. You'll log into each Chromebook with your student's school email address. The password will be the same as when they left school in spring if they're a returning student. If they are a new student, your teacher will contact you with the email address and password. If a password needs to be reset, please contact your teacher, and they will get with me and we'll get that reset for you. All instruction, all instruction will be delivered through Schoology. You can log into Schoology at randolphboe.schoology.com. Your login will be your student's school email address and password. All announcements, assignments, links, and any other course materials will be posted on Schoology. Teachers will use other programs at their discretion. These programs can include iExcel, STAR, Google Meet, Schools PLP, Epic Books, among many others. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact me at the Randolph County Board of Education. Phone number is 256-357-4611. My extension is 2015. My email address is cdaniel@randolphboe.org.
Thank you, Mr. Daniel. Next, I would like to introduce you to your virtual teachers for grades 4 through 6 for this school year. We'll start with Mr. Jeremiah Thomas. Coach Thomas is housed at Rock Mills Junior High School, where he teaches PE and social studies. So good morning, Mr. Thomas.
Good morning, everyone. Hey, my name is Jeremiah Thomas. I'll be a virtual PE teacher for at least the first 9 weeks. The overall objective would be to develop knowledge, skill, and a lifetime of helpful physical activities. I can't wait to get started. And before we finish off, my grades will be presented basically by participation. So there'll be, I'll send out, upload a weekly physical activity participation ad. Thank you.
Thank you, Coach Thomas. Next, I would like to introduce to you Miss Crystal Hall. Ms. Hall will be teaching 5th and 6th grade math this year for our virtual students, and she teaches at Wedowee Elementary School.
Hello, everybody. I'm Ms. Hall, and I'm going to be teaching your 5th and 6th grade math. This class, we are going to have classwork, videos, discussion questions, and Google Meets. Items are going to be graded, and it will be posted in iNow. Attendance is mandatory each day. Please do not forget that. I have posted contact information on our Schoology site for you to contact me, and my office hours are going to be from 8 to 3, Monday through Friday. Please have a quiet place to do your work and interact with the classroom. I am excited to be a part of this virtual classroom, and I cannot wait to meet everybody. Bye.
Thank you, Ms. Hall. Now I would like to introduce to you Ms. Kim Simpson. Ms. Simpson will be teaching fourth grade math for us this year, and she is also our gifted education teacher for Randolph County Schools.
Hi, everybody. I'm Kim Simpson. As Ms. Braden said, I teach gifted. I'll be teaching fourth grade math. We will have classwork. We will take attendance. We will do some videos. I will try to help you any way I can. My office hours will be on Schoology, not quite set yet because of my gifted schedule, but I look forward to meeting all of you and learning some math.
Thank you, Ms. Simpson. Next, I want to introduce to you Ms. Carrie Moore. Ms. Moore teaches Science and Social Studies at Wedowee Middle School, and she will be doing Science and Social Studies for all 3 grades, 4, 5, and 6 for our virtual students.
Good morning. Hi, everybody. My name is Carrie Moore, but my students call me Miss Carrie. This year, I'm teaching 4th, 5th, and 6th grade Science and Social Studies. In 4th and 5th grade Science, we will study physical, life, earth, and space science. In 4th grade history, we'll learn about the greatest state of all, the state of Alabama. In 5th grade, we'll study U.S. history from the beginning through the Industrial Revolution. In 6th grade, we'll continue our U.S. history studies from the Industrial Revolution to the present. I look forward to working with you.
Thank you, Ms. Moore. And your final virtual teacher that I'd like to introduce you to is Miss Christina Clark, and she will be doing ELA and reading for all 3 grades, grades 4, 5th, and 6th. She normally teaches for us at Randolph County High School.
Good morning. I am housed at Randolph County High School. Specifically, I may be in the high school in the central office. I look forward to working with you. Some things that's important to remember is that you need to log in every day, Monday through Friday, into Schoology so that you can check assignments, due dates for any work that needs to be completed. I'll also have you, part of the teaching is going to be reading as well as English. So it's going to be important that you read every day. The most important thing I would ask you to do is ask questions. If you don't understand something, please let me know. If you need help, just let me know, and we'll see if we can't find out how to answer the questions. I really look forward to working with you.
Thank you, Ms. Clark. I want to reiterate what some of our teachers did mention, and that is attendance. Attendance is mandatory for virtual students, just like attendance is mandatory when you come to school every day. They will post an assignment that you must log on and complete on a daily basis and in order to obtain your attendance. So please make sure that you keep up with those. Also, we mentioned several links during this presentation. All of those links will be provided to your virtual teachers so that they can share those with you. If you have any questions, again, my name is Jennifer Braden, and I'm the curriculum coordinator for Randolph County Schools. You can contact me here at Randolph County Board of Education, 256-357-4611, extension 2013, or you may email me at jbraden, BRADEN, @randolphboe.org. Thank you.